going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog, and today is a sad one. Look at this. Look at this. Damn birds. Look at this. Dude. Oh my god, I cannot wait to move. This is terrible. This is terrible. The car's not even ceramic coated or anything anymore. This is why I want to get it coated. Look at this. Oh my goodness. But the wheels look good though. So, that was number one. Number two, my manifold just blew. So, I'm not really gonna get into that right now. I'm gonna get into it tomorrow because it doesn't really matter. I haven't found the crack yet. But I turned on the car. I could have sworn to turn off fine. Then it turned off for me because it's cold, so I gotta keep my foot on the gas for it to warm up. Then the car didn't want to turn on because it's really cold, and my battery almost died. So I said, you know what? Let me wait. So I waited. Then I turned it on. It turned on. So when I'm giving the gas, I'm hearing like an exhaust leak, like a really bad one. But I was like, you know what? It might be just like ice, maybe stuck. So then when the car warms up, I go to it, and then I get the car revved. So when I'm revving the car, I'm hearing like a like the air trying to it's like pressuring through like a little hole. So I'm like, dude, how did I just blow my motor with the car literally just sitting here? So then I started looking around. I put my hand on the ending of the exhaust, one like this, and no pressure was coming out. So then I put two and two together. I'm like, wait, if there's no pressure here, that means the manifold, turbo manifold, which is headers to like an old motor car, has to be broken or cracked. So that's why when I was giving the gas, there was no like pressure or nothing coming out there. It was coming up from somewhere here, and then that noise, is basically like when you turn on a car with no headers, you hear that noise because the exhaust valves are right there. So I just ordered another manifold from eBay, the same one that I was using. It lasted me about maybe 2 years, and then it cracked, and then I welded it, and it lasted me like another 2-3 years. So I should be fine with that for now until March, man. Hopefully that was the only issue. So I got really scared because I thought the motor blew with it just being parked here. So I was like, this doesn't make any sense. So I tried to look to see if I found a crack. I couldn't really find it because the manifold is painted black. I'm not going to paint it black again because when it gets dirty, it doesn't come off. So just leave it like that. And I can't find a crack because it's black. So it's hard to find like a crack with the black. But I'm pretty sure it's probably from behind. The manifold's probably loose or something. I don't know. But I ordered another one. It should be here next week. So, but for right now, I'm actually going to really ghetto rig this real quick. I'm gonna be painting the calipers blue, the same blue as the engine bay, because I mean they're gray, you can't really see them, and I feel like with the blue it'll look good with the engine bay and everything. So I have to paint everything here. So I'm gonna do this real ghetto because I'm tired because I came out of work. So literally all I'm gonna do is just put tape, cover up some of the rotor, and then I guess tape like a couple other spots, and I'm just gonna spray it with the car on. That's how I did the gray ones. You guys can say what you want. That's how I'm gonna do it because I'm tired. I don't really care. So for right now, I'm gonna take off the wheels and yeah, get started.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks.
Alrighty, guys. So, back when it's painted, not bad. Looks pretty good. I dig it. But I gotta put these spacers on. So, the 5mm spacers right here. I only have 3. My friend only has 3, but I gotta pick up another one from my boy Drew. Probably tomorrow pick it up. But I just wanted to see how it looks. I think it looks pretty good with the engine bay and the low controls and everything. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put one of these spacers on. Well, the camera died, guys, so yeah, I had to stop recording, but I was able to do 3 of the calipers, but I'm guessing since it's so cold outside, the can stopped working. It got like some type of, I felt like it had like pressure or something in it, so yeah, so there it goes. Yeah, so this is the front. Yes, I painted the brake pad and everything. Like I said, I really don't care. I wasn't gonna take off the brake pad for what? Because for me to take off the brake pad and then paint it and then have to paint the other side of the caliper would have been the same thing. For me to paint that, I would have to literally take off all calipers, take out the brake line, and bleed all the. No, I was not doing that. I've done that before. If you don't like it, I really don't care. Thing looks pretty good. But yeah, so I was only able to do 3, and I put the spacers on. So now you guys can see the offset I'm talking about. So now, don't worry about the doodle, but the wheel's not straight, but you see that I gotta fix the wheel. The wheel's turned a little bit, but I guess from this one you can see the poke that I'm talking about right there. You can actually see it, and the rear too. So now it has that good fitment all around, as you can see. Look at that. See what I'm saying? Now it looks perfect. And Julio just came by, so he's here in the car. We're about to get some food. So I'm gonna put my keys in now. Yeah, so we're gonna get some food, and yeah, probably tomorrow just continue the vlog. What's going on, guys? So it is currently the next day. I have already been doing some stuff to the car. Well, not really doing stuff to the car, but I was just cleaning the engine bay and stuff like that. But now, give you guys a look at this beauty. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it looks so good with the purple, the blue, the engine bay matching. So I just did the wheels. So remember, yesterday I told you guys that the paint wasted. When today I picked up more. I just did that one, did the front one. All I gotta do is just pick up one spacer, 5mm spacer from the back from my friend. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna do that today, but I found out exactly where the crack is at. So let me show you guys. It is. And I know people are gonna talk shit because this has been cracked already before, but the crack is literally right there. So it goes all the way down. So it's been cracked before once, and my dad just did like a little quick weld on it. Right here in the house we have like a little cheap welder. It worked for the most part because it cracked. Went to go tune and it made good power. So yeah, that's cracked. So the manifold's gonna come next week, but I didn't really do much. Just cleaned up the engine bay. I still have to like polish this. Not too sure exactly when I'm gonna polish it. I might start polishing it today. Radiator also, but yeah, nothing really much to do. I'm also gonna just start taking off the dump tube and the wastegate also, so when the manifold comes, I can just put it on, because I can't right now. I can't take off the manifold alone because so basically, you see, I don't know if you guys can see because I can't see because the sun is on me. Okay, so my exhaust obviously it's right here, and turbo's there. So before, when I had the full exhaust, I went to the back and I had the exhaust hinges on the car, so the turbo and everything was held up perfect. Now that I don't have that, once I take this off, the turbo and everything is gonna just drop. I can't leave it hanging because 1, my feed down is here. 2, my return line is down there, so it's gonna be hanging and it might crack. So it might like bend and crack the steel braided line on the bottom or on the top. Then it's gonna be an issue because then my turbo is not gonna be getting oil, and I'm gonna burn out the turbo. So I'm just gonna take off the wastegate, the dump tube, and then when the manifold comes in, I'm gonna do it with my dad. That way I can hold the manifold and he can hold the turbo, slap them together, and then put the manifold on. That way it can be easier, because I don't want to just I don't want to leave it hanging and then something gets messed up. But I also have to do this all over again because it's chipped. Yeah, I mean it's chipped, so I'm probably gonna end up I'm not even sure, probably just sanding it down as much as possible maybe. I'm not really too sure, but yeah, I'm just doing little things here and there because I don't really have much to do, because the manifold hasn't really came in, so I can't really do nothing. The only issue I have is with the manifold, because I already did the calipers and everything. Yeah, look how freaking good this purple looks.
See, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate.
For everybody that thinks that my car is black, that's the color right there. Go from purple to black. Yeah, so I'm gonna put these wheels on and then start taking off the other stuff. Alright, so here, taking off some of the stuff, but I'm struggling a little bit because it's so tight right here. Like, it is all tight. So I was gonna take out the dump tube, but I don't really need to. I could just take out the wastegate and wiggle it out through here somewhere. So yeah, I don't really need to take that out, but I'm trying my best, and I gotta fit an extension like through here all the way into like the bottom, like all the way like down there, so I can be able to take out the bottom bolt, which is like this. I'm gonna use my gun and hopefully it comes out, because I cannot get it. I know I gotta take out the bumper, but I don't really want to take it off right now. But if I have to, if I can't get to it like this, then I'll just do it with the, I'll just take off the bumper and do it the other way. Oh, never mind, scratch that, I'm an idiot. I forgot that bolt is just for the thumb tube, it's not for the gate. The gate bolt is this way. I thought the gate bolt was that way. What a fucking fail. So, yeah. I don't even know what I'm doing right now, but I think I'm gonna have to take off this bumper. I really don't want to do it right now, but I don't know. Alrighty, so, wrist check is, beat the fuck up. My hands, look at this shit. So, yeah, basically I have like that much space. I wish I could show you guys, but so basically this Allen key is going underneath this and between all of that, like literally all the way down there. So it's literally like turning that much every single time, and I'm barely gotten like halfway out with the bolt. So yes, I'm gonna be here for a while. My hands are taking a fucking abuse right now, but gotta get it done. So I have like an hour left because I'm gonna pick up my girlfriend from work, and yeah, that's about it. I should be good. So let's see what happens, guys.
Yo guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.